In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check competitors' traffic in Semrush. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to read the key numbers so you can make smarter marketing decisions with confidence. First, start from your main Semrush dashboard. This is the home base you see after logging in. On the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled Traffic and Market. This is where Semrush groups tools that help you understand how much attention a site is getting and where that attention comes from. Go ahead and click that section to expand it. Inside that area, select Traffic Analytics. This is the feature designed to give you an overview of a website's performance, including estimated visits and engagement signals. When the page opens, look toward the top for the search field. Click into that search field and enter your competitor's domain. For the cleanest results, type the main domain only, without extra paths or tracking parameters. If your competitor primarily operates on a specific subdomain, you can enter that instead. Once you see the matching result appear, click it to load the report. You'll now see a summary of the website's traffic. This summary is a high-level snapshot, so focus on the essentials. You can expect to find estimated total visits, how that traffic trends over time, and engagement indicators such as average visit duration and bounce rate. You may also see insights into where the traffic is coming from, like direct visits, search, referrals, or social, along with the geographic distribution of visitors. Think of these numbers as directional estimates rather than exact counts. They're most helpful for comparing one site to another or spotting trends over time. If you have an active subscription, Semrush unlocks additional detail beyond the summary. That can include deeper breakdowns and more historical data, which helps you understand seasonality and growth patterns. If your plan is limited, you'll still get valuable top-level insights to guide decisions like content priorities, channel focus, and competitive benchmarks. A couple of quick tips as you review the summary. If the numbers look unusually low, the site may be very new, very niche, or have limited public signals for estimation. And if you see sudden spikes or dips, check the timeline to understand whether it's a trend or a one-off event. Use these insights as a starting point to validate your assumptions and shape your strategy. That's all there is to it. From the main dashboard, open Traffic and Market, choose Traffic Analytics, search your competitor's domain at the top, and review the traffic summary to inform your next move. That's it.